Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 new chapter some application of trigonometry. In the previous class I have started this new chapter. I will continue that exercise 9.1. 5 sums already I completed. I will continue with the 6th sum. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The height of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So, a 1.5 meter tall boy. So, here a tall boy is there. The height is given as 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So, a 30 meter tall building is there. 30 meter tall building is there. He is standing at a distance away from that building. Some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes. So, assuming that here is his eyes, angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. So, this is the top of the building. To the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So, from here it is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and when he is coming closer it is 60 degree. So, angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay, he walks towards the building. So, this is the building. He is walking towards it. So, angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So, we are asked to find this distance. Walked towards the building. That is the thing we are asked to find. Okay. So, for finding this, so as usual, we will give names for this. So, A. So, this distance and this distance will be same. This one will be same. So, here this is A, B, C, D. This one we will keep it as E. This is F. E, F and this point is G. Like this, we will assume the points A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So, we are asked to find the distance between E and F. E, F distance only we are asked to find. Okay. Let the height of the building be. Since we are giving name as AB, we will take it as AB. Let AB be the height of the building. AB be the height of the building. Height of the building. And DE is the height of the boy. Height of the boy. Distance he walked towards the building. Distance he walks towards the building is EF. EF is the distance he walks towards the building. Okay. Since still this it is the full height of the building from the ground level is only 30 meter. So, the distance of AG will be 30 minus GB. That is AB is equal to AG plus GB. GB distance is equal to ED. ED is the height of the boy. So, it will be equal on the building also till 1.5 it will be same. So, 30 minus 1.5 it will be 28.5. Okay. So, ED is equal to GB. Therefore, AG is equal to AB minus BG. So, AB is 30 meter minus BG is the height of the wall. BG or GB? GB is the height of the point ED. So, 30 minus 1.5 that is equal to 28.5 meter. That is AG. So, now we will find. So, this distance we know. This height we know. We know 60 degree. So, we will find, we need to know this distance only. So, we will take in triangle AGF. In triangle AGF, This is opposite side and this one is adjacent side. So it is tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to AG by FG. So tan 60 we know that it is root 3. So tan 60 is equal to root 3 is equal to AG is we found it now as 28.5 by FG. So FG is equal to 28.5 by root 3. FG is equal to this distance is 28.5 by root 3. So we will keep it as it is. Now we will take the full triangle, that is AGE. In triangle AGE, the same tan we will take. Tan 30 degree is equal to, opposite is AG by EG. AB by EG, that is this full distance, AG by EG. So tan 30 we know that it is 1 by root 3, that is equal to AG is 28.5. We can write this EG as EF plus FG. EF plus FG. We can write that as EF plus FG. FG distance just now we have found. So first we will simplify this. So this is EF plus FG is equal to 28.5 into root 3. So FG just now we found it as 28.5 by root 3. So EF plus 28.5 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 into root 3. Okay. So when we are bringing it to that side, we will get EF is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So if we take 28.5 common, we will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Again if we simplify root 3 into root 3, we will get it as 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So into 2 by root 3 we will get. So this is EF distance. EF is, that is this distance. EF is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3. When we simplify this, EF is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So when we simplify this, 28.5 into 2 into root 3 by 3. So when we simplify this one, when we cancel this 3. So when we simplify this 3 and this 28.5 we can cancel. 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15, 9.5. 9.5 into 2 into root 3. So 9.5 into 2 is 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. So 19.0 we can write it as 19 root 3 meter. So this is EF. So what we are asked to find? We are asked to find the distance he walked towards the building. Therefore the distance the boy walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. So like that we have to write the statement also definitely. Okay. Next question is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So from a point on the ground. So there is a ground. From a point, this is the ground level. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation. So the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. Of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. Bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter high building. Fixed at 20 meter high building. So above this building, the tower is fixed. So the height of the building is given as 20 meter and the above this 20 meter tower, 20 meter building, that tower is fixed. At an bottom and the top, the angle of elevation is given as fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. So one is 45 degree. So for bottom it is 45 degree and for the top it is 60 degree. So bottom and the top. Bottom is 45 degree and the top is 60 degree. Bottom of the tower. When they are seeing the bottom of the tower it is 45 degree and when they are seeing the top of the tower it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So we are asked to find the height of the tower. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay. So let BC be the height of the building. Let BC be the height of 20-meter building. 20-meter building. CD be the height of the tower. CD be the height of the tower. Height of the tower. So we are asked to find that height only. So first we will take two triangles, that is in triangle ABC. That triangle we will take. First we will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so we know this angle, this measurement we know. We will find this one. So this is common to both the angles, 45 degree and 60 degree. So in triangle ABC, so tan 45 degree is equal to opposite. Opposite is BC by adjacent is AB. So we know that tan 45 is 1 is equal to BC is 20 meter, that is given in the question, by AB. So AB is equal to 20 meter. So this distance also we got it as 20 meter. So AB is also 20 meter. Okay. So now we will take the other triangle. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. So that is also tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is full distance, that is BD. BD by AB. So tan 60 we know that it is root 3. So BD is BC plus CD. BC plus CD by AB. AB we got it as 20. So when we cross multiply this, we will get 20 root 3. 20 root 3 is equal to BC plus CD. So 20 root 3 is equal to BC. BC is 20 meter plus CD. So we are asked to find the height of the tower only, that is CD only we are asked to find. So CD is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So in this 20 we can take it common out. So we will get root 3 minus 1 meter. So CD is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. That is height of the tower. Therefore height of the tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, understood? With this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.